If you've been looking for your own slice of rural paradise, but you don't want to sacrifice on things like highway access or all your daily amenities, you want to pay close attention to today's episode because we got an incredible, just under 1 acre lot with some of the best tree coverage I've ever seen, but that's not all.
It's not often that I get excited about a garage space, but if you're a car enthusiast or looking to run a home-based business, this one's going to check off all the boxes. All that and more on today's episode. You know, Scott, we get to see a lot of rural properties, but it's rare to find one like this with tranquility and tree cover at just under an acre.
It's a rare special gem, that's for sure. I couldn't agree more. Let's talk about the location as well. We're only 10 minutes from the city of Barrie, 5 minutes into the town of Thornton, and 5 minutes into the town of Baxter. So what that tells me is I've got all the daily amenities I could possibly want at my fingertips, yet getting all the feel and the tranquility of the rural living that we're after. In addition to that, we've got the Innisfil Beach Road Highway 400 access ramp that's 10 minutes from our doorstep. How good is that? Now the good news is, after all that, we've still saved the best for last. Julie, let's talk garages for a moment. How many garages is enough garages?
I don't know, Scott, you tell me.
Well, this one I think has the perfect mix. First of all, we've got the single car attached garage that came with the original house. This is ideal for your day-to-day puttering, but you gotta think bigger than that. Let's talk bigger like in behind me here. A fully customized, detached double car garage, but that's not all. It's also double in height as well, and it comes with its very own car lift. This is my kind of garage, but I'm still not done. In addition to that, up top, you've got a customized loft space that's gonna be ideal for the home office, the older kids, man cave, or she shed, you name it, this one's got it covered.
You know, Scott, enough talk about garages. Let's go inside and check out this one-of-a-kind custom-built home.
Now here we are inside this custom-built 3-level side split. I just love these layouts. Now this one's got 2,400 square feet finished, so it's got a tremendous amount of space. In addition to that, we've got a tremendous amount of natural light. With walkouts in almost every main level room here, it truly blends that indoor-outdoor living, which you're gonna love. Now my personal favorite, we've got 2 wood-burning fireplaces, 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. This home's got it all.
An addition was added to the back of this home to give it a light and airy feel and accommodate the chef's dream kitchen, complete with professional grade appliances and this expansive island with very rare labradorite countertops. But my favorite feature about this space is the window package. It really immerses you in the forest and gives you that feeling of being at one with nature. I can't think of a more beautiful place to start or end your day than this raised terrace located off of the primary bedroom. But one of my favorite features about this rear yard is that Mother Nature did the landscaping, so it's low maintenance and allows you plenty of time to relax and enjoy this oasis.
Now, I mentioned earlier that I love these 3-level side split designs, and this is the epitome of why. Check out the window package in behind me here. We're on the 3rd level, but it doesn't feel like it whatsoever. You still get tons of natural light. In addition to that, we got this gorgeous field stone fireplace, and as I mentioned before, it's wood burning, so you're gonna absolutely love that in those winter months. This level is all about convenience as well. We've got a 3-piece bathroom with a glass walk-in shower, laundry, plus inside access to one of your many garages. You gotta love that. Now that was a quick commute to the office. That's right, I know it looks like I might be in the world's coolest treehouse up here, but this is actually the incredible loft area up above your detached double car garage. Now this space is gonna have you begging to have your boss not send you back to the office. With views like this up above the tree canopy, it's truly a special space.
Scott, it's not all work and no play. I can't think of a more inspiring space for a hobbyist to create. Or if you need a little peace and quiet inside, a great spot for those rowdy teens. The versatility of this space is endless. You know what they say, Scott, the larger the property, the longer the honey-do list is. How do you feel about that?
Well, this one's not going to scare you away, Julie. That's what I love about it. Between the perennial gardens, the sheer tree coverage on this property, not to mention the wild gardens, with the exception of this incredibly well-maintained front lawn and relaxation space, this one's relatively low maintenance. That's what I'm talking about.
We're the Knowles Wolseley team, and we know Simcoe County. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.